Hi, my name is Tracy Lahr. I am the co-owner of Snazzy Moon Designs, and I will be making some videos to answer some questions I see people asking in the sublimation groups. But I just kind of wanted to show a little bit of what I have in my workroom and what I'll be using to answer those questions. Obviously, I have a convection oven that I bake the tumblers in. It's a KitchenAid. I have a Epson 4760 sublimation printer that I print my 8.5 by 11s on for my designs, and my laptop and monitor. I also have the Epson ET 15000 for the larger prints. Got a little stand right here that I keep all my papers and shrink wrap and things like that in there. I've got a mug press that I use to sublimate my mugs, and I have a 15 by 15 heat press, and I have a 20-ounce tumbler press, heat gun for the shrink wrap. This is kind of like my little storage cabinet where I keep all my tumblers at for sublimation, and coasters and mugs and things like that. I also use this Rotary paper cutter to trim down my designs before I put them on my tumblers. I have this little photography photo box. That's what I use to take pictures and videos of my tumblers after I've sublimated them and put them on Etsy. Just a few of the tumblers that I've made recently. A little tape dispenser that comes in pretty handy for dispensing the heat tape. Obviously scissors and heat gloves. I got this little tub that I use to cool off my tumblers after I take them out of my convection oven. Got a little storage cabinet here. I just brought this in. I'm going to use it for storage also. But that's pretty much it. This is where I make all my tumblers and license plates and coasters and everything sublimation. And this is what I'll be using to answer questions and make videos and hopefully help the beginners and some other people that just need help. So hopefully you'll like my videos when I start making them. Have a good day. Thanks.